Hello and welcome friends on Leo English Hub lecture 19, and today we are going to learn my daily routine. Yes, it's there on your screen, and it is all about simple present tense that we have learned it until now. Before we move ahead guys, kindly I request you to subscribe our channel so that we also get support and you don't miss any update ever. So please subscribe our channel guys before we move ahead. And if I talk about today's topic, it is based on the rules that we have learned until now. So all the rules like double verb, single verb, after, while, before, in, all these things will be covered in this topic of daily routine. And you can design a topic like daily routine in such a way that all the rules or regulations or grammatical variations you can apply, that we have learned and you can apply. So here we have the first passage. There are three passages in the short note. So it is there on your screen. My day starts at in the morning, and I have underlined the verbs, the double verbs, and made them and written them in dark brown color so that you can identify the rules that we have learned until now and how the sentences are designed. This is not for mugging up. This topic is not for mugging up, or these sentences or paragraph is not for preparing them. It is for the guidance, it is for the guideline that how sentences are formed and how we can write effective comment, we can write effective text, right? So not all the sentences, it is about my daily routine or our daily routine, but not all the sentences start with I, and that should be learned. That should be the thing that we should keep in mind, that while speaking and writing both, we should use variety of subjects. We should start the sentences should not start with same thing, same subject or same object. huh? So this is the way we can represent ourselves. This is the way we can communicate better, even while sending small messages, text messages or emails, whatever whoever with you are communicating. You can use such sentences and structures. This is all these sentences are in simple present tense only. We have not used other tenses, and still it is full of variety guys. So that is the art of writing or speaking, so that you can communicate. You can obviously use vocabulary according to your knowledge. There are many non-common words and many synonyms as well. If you can use them instead of some normal or common words, then it will be good enough. So guys, let's move ahead to the next screen. I hope you have written this down, whatever you can see on your screen at the moment. So keep writing whatever you are getting on your screen guys, and please subscribe our channel if you have not, and don't skip the video ever, because you are going to get good information in all the lectures. So every time I try to give you something good in terms of writing and speaking good English, in terms of grammar as well. So let's guys move on to the next screen please. Yes, so here we have the another screen. We have the same topic, my daily routine, and you get the next passage in the same topic. My father also comes home to eat at afternoon. So see, not all the sentences start with I. It is all about my routine, but we need to accommodate others as well, because in a day, whatever we do, we have many other roles to play, and we have other people, they play role in our routines as well. So try to accommodate those people as well, family, friends, or at work you might have your colleagues. So try to accommodate them, and try to use varieties like double verb, single verb, after, while, before, in. So quickly guys, I'm moving on to the next screen as well. If you have any problem, any query, you can send me messages in comment section, and let's move on to the next screen, and that would be the last passage for this topic, my daily routine. The characteristics you need to keep in mind the characteristics of all these sentences. though they are of one single tense, but still they can be in different variety, in different formations as well. So let's move on to the last screen of today's lecture. And so it is about evening, what we do in evening normally. And the sentences that I have accommodated are applicable to 99% of the people, that these activities are common. You can add more activities and more sentences when you write down in your note. You can rewrite the same topic, my daily routine, and you can totally transform the whole text as well. It is not necessary that whatever I have written is the only answer or is the only thing to speak or write when in terms of my daily routine. But when it comes to speak naturally, you can add your own thoughts, you can add your own ideas. Obviously your activities would differ in some or other way, so you should try in natural ways the things. Yes, so that is the thing, that how we can communicate effectively while writing email or even text messages, or when it comes to write letters, you know so written letters or email, or sometimes we communicate, we appear into interviews as well. So keep in mind all these things, that our sentences and our communication sentence structure should not be and must not be at primary level, guys. So this is it for today, and I hope it will guide you a lot. I'm not saying to mug up all these sentences, the whole topic. Just get an idea how to speak or write even with one single tense, how the variety can be added into the sentences. So guys, write all this down in your notebook, revise them again and again, try to add some more sentences according to your routine, respective activities and actions. And I hope it will be really very natural, and it will help you to communicate better, it will help you to improve your grammar as well. Thank you guys for joining us today, and at last I would request you to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much, guys.